This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Baker. Beautifully restored turn-of-the-century townhome. Bright and sunny. Many updates made while keeping the historic character: 12 FT ceilings, stately moldings, heart of pine FLS, transoms, 8 FT windows, updated MSD bathroom, 2020, LG BUTLER'S pantry, eat-in kitchen with CORIAN counters and island with JENNAIR cooktop. Gracious living room and dining room, 2 gas fireplaces, 4 decorative. Huge basement for storage or workshop. Bonus shared courtyard west/space for entertaining. Enjoy the heart of Oldie town, just steps to restaurants, dog park, entertainment, the water and ferry to Norfolk. For more information, review the details below.